Okay, my name is Agata Lada. The topic today is how to make your life sweeter. It has 3 parts. We will start with a riddle. I'd like you to think about what is described by the words in the slide. Golden substance has intense scent, contains treasures of nature, has been with us since the beginning of the world. Look at this picture. The story begins in a meadow when flowers are in bloom. It's here where the story of honey begins. Look, how is honey made? The bee finds honey plants, nectar. The bee comes back to the bee hive and performs a dance. Informs other bees where nectar is and it what amount. Bees collect nectar to its honey, goiter, and pass it on the worker, bees in the hive. The nectar is enriched with valuable bee enzymes. Nectar is positioned in the cells of the honeycomb and it's moved from one cell to another. Look at this picture. When it's ready, bees cover it with a layer of wax. Look, here is wax. When the nectar matures, it's broken down to simple sugar, glucose, and fructose. Look for this reaction. It's sugar, and this is glucose and fructose. Honey contains not just nectar, but also unsaturated acid and bacteriostatic substance named inhibin. Comes from bees. Inhibin comes from the bees. Next, honey is extracted by uncapping and centrifuging the honey in honey extractors here, and then passing through sieves and pouring to jars. Look, what does honey contain? Water, about 20%, protein, about 0.5%, vitamins, enzymes, for example, invertase, organic acid, for instance, apple, microelements, carbohydrates, for example, glucose, fructose, and amino acid, for instance, alanine or asparagine. So, honey is a natural medicine. It also is bactericidal properties to inhibin and glucose oxidase, destroys pathogenic bacteria, gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria, tuberculosis, Staphylococcus aureus and others. Supports the digestive system, regulates the work of the heart, it improves the mood, it improves sleep. And I think this is important. Honey is delicious. Thank you very much.